Hello friends, today we are going to fix one of the most common printer error in Windows. Windows cannot connect to the printer. If your share printer is not working and you are getting this error, don't worry, I will show you step by step how to fix it. This error usually appears after Windows update. Microsoft released security patches to fix vulnerabilities, but sometimes it blocks network printers and causes this error. So basically it is not your printer problem, it is a Windows security update issue. Press Windows R, type appwiz.cpl and hit enter. Click View Install Update. Find the latest KB5005565 or KB5005568 or any recent update that caused the error. Right click and uninstall it. Restart your PC and check the printer again. Permanent solution registry editor method. Be careful when editing registry. Press Windows R, type REGEDIT and hit enter. Navigate to this path. H key local machine, system, current control set, control, print. Right click, new default 32-bit value. Name it RpcAuthnLevelPrivacyEnabled. Double click it. Set value data 0. Click OK. Close registry and restart PC. Now your printer should connect without error. So that's how you can fix the Windows cannot connect to the printer error. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to fix tricks for more easy Windows solution. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.